Alright, I'm going over how to download Gimp. In Google, if you search Gimp downloads, should be your top result. This is on Windows, by the way. So I click the orange button, unless I know what a BitTorrent is, in which case you can use that for a little bit faster. Now on Windows, this is a 230 megabyte download, so it should take a while. When it's done, you can either click it down here, or you can find it in your File Explorer window, which is over here. And if you just go to Downloads, it should be right there. So anyways, double click it. Click install. Again, this takes a while. It could take 2 to 3 minutes depending on the speed of your hard drive and the speed of your processor. When it's done downloading, you can just click finish, and that has installed Gimp. That's not running Gimp, that's just installing Gimp. So you go into your window and type Gimp. You can start that up and start it up the first time. It takes longer the first time, but it should be faster all subsequent times. Okay, there's Gimp. From install to running the first time. That's it.